Did you know that eating honey with certain foods can lead to cancer and dementia? Even honey, the gift of bees, has its best and worst combinations with foods. In order for healthy honey to benefit the body, it must be consumed correctly. Consuming it with inappropriate foods can be detrimental to your health. That is why I have prepared this video for cancer and dementia prevention. I will tell you the 3 worst and 3 best combinations of honey with foods. This video will be extremely informative and helpful. So, if you want to become a master of your health, click like, and let's get started. Many of you know that there is one product on earth that never spoils. This product is considered the first food of mankind from nature, so valuable that the ancient Romans called it the food of the gods that fell from heaven. The hero of today's review is sweet and nutritious honey. Honey is produced by bees from the nectar of flowering plants with the addition of their enzymes, resulting in not only sugar, but also amino acids, vitamins, minerals such as iron and zinc, and antioxidants. In addition to being a natural sweetener, honey also has anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, and is especially known for its immunomodulatory properties. Before we get into the lean and best combinations of honey, let's take a look at the anti-cancer properties of honey and what research has been done in this regard. Honey is not only a delicious natural sweetener, but also a powerful source of various bioactive substances that may play an important role in the body's defense against cancer. Let's take a look at how honey contributes to cancer prevention and treatment. Number 1. Antioxidant properties. Honey is high in antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, ascorbic acid, and tocopherols. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and DNA, causing mutations and promoting cancer. By reducing free radicals, honey can reduce the risk of developing various types of cancer. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with an increased risk of cancer because it can cause tissue damage and stimulate the proliferation of cancer cells. Honey contains substances that help reduce inflammation in the body. Components such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds have a strong anti-inflammatory effect, which helps in cancer prevention. Number 3. Immunomodulatory effects. Honey strengthens the immune system by stimulating the production of antibodies and the activity of immune cells such as T lymphocytes and macrophages. A strong immune system is more effective at detecting and destroying cancer cells in their early stages of development, preventing their further growth and spread. Number 4. Antibacterial and antifungal action. Honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties due to the presence of enzymes such as glucose oxidase and natural antibiotics such as propolis. These properties help prevent infections and inflammation that can contribute to cancer. Number 5. Direct effects on cancer cells. Some studies have shown that honey can directly affect cancer cells by inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, and inhibiting their proliferation. For example, studies in cell cultures and animal models have shown that honey can induce apoptosis in breast, colon, and prostate cancer cells. What scientific research has been done on the anti-cancer properties of honey? 1. Studies on cell cultures. In 2009, a study was conducted that examined the effects of different types of honey on breast cancer cells. The results showed that honey induced apoptosis, programmed death, of cancer cells without damaging healthy cells. 2. Animal studies. In 2012, scientists conducted an experiment on mice with colon cancer. The mice were fed honey and a significant reduction in the size of the tumors was noted. The researchers concluded that honey has an anti-proliferative effect. That is, it slows the growth and division of cancer cells. 3. Human clinical trials. In 2017, a study was conducted involving patients suffering from oral cancer. Patients who consumed honey daily showed improvement and reduced side effects from chemotherapy, such as inflammation of the oral mucosa. 4. Propolis study. Propolis, one of the bee products, also has anti-cancer properties. In 2015, researchers studied its effects on prostate cancer cells and found that propolis suppresses cancer cell growth and stimulates apoptosis. Thus, honey has many health benefits, including anti-cancer properties, making it a valuable component of a healthy diet. Regular consumption of honey can help prevent cancer due to its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory, and antibacterial properties. However, not everything is so clear-cut. Did you know that there are over 320 types of honey in the world? The type of honey depends on the flowers that the bees visit. There is acacia, rapeseed, chestnut, and manuka honey, as well as field and mixed honey. There is also sugar honey, known as artificial honey. To produce just 1 kilogram of honey, bees need to visit 5.6 million flowers, for which we are truly grateful to these hard-working insects. But did you know that even this healthy honey can be harmful to your health if consumed incorrectly? Honey can be harmful to your health if consumed along with certain foods. Let's find out the 3 worst combinations for cancer and dementia prevention, and the 3 best ones that can help prolong our life. Number 1. The first worst combination with honey is soy products such as tofu and soy milk. The harms of refined sugar are well known, and many people believe that all sweets are bad for you. But natural honey, as a natural sugar, is quite different. Sugar molecules are large and must be broken down into smaller glucose or fructose molecules during digestion before they can be absorbed by the body. This process uses up insulin, calcium, and vitamins from our bodies and raises blood sugar levels. However, honey, the gift of the bees, is different. Honey has already been processed by bees and is made up of simple sugars, so when you eat honey, it is immediately absorbed by your body without the need for digestion, quickly becoming a source of energy. This is why you feel an instant boost of energy and recovery after consuming honey. Honey is known for its health benefits and is used in many popular recipes. Many people add honey to soy milk and tofu for health benefits. But you should not do this. Soy products such as soy milk contain significantly more protein than regular milk. Honey contains organic acids in addition to sugar. The organic acids in honey and the protein in soy milk can react and form a precipitate, simply put, turn into lumps or masses. This sludge is not digested by the body, but excreted, rendering the protein in soy milk and honey useless. Consuming soy products in combination with honey can cause digestive problems. Soy products are considered cold and help remove heat from the body, while honey is inherently hot, storing heat inside. When cold and hot energies collide in the stomach, it can lead to digestive problems. Therefore, it is best not to combine honey with soy products such as tofu and soy milk. So what would be the best combination with honey? I recommend combining honey with regular milk rather than soy milk. This is a great combination because milk contains less protein than soy milk, which means it interacts less with the organic acids in honey. In addition, the synergy of the health benefits of honey and milk is incredible. Today, many people suffer from insomnia. A good sleep is very important for our health, and this problem can be easily solved by drinking warm milk with honey in the evening. Milk contains the amino acid tryptophan, which is converted in the body into serotonin, the hormone of happiness. Serotonin not only relieves depression, but also suppresses the excitement hormone that causes insomnia, helping you sleep soundly. Unfortunately, however, drinking milk alone does not allow this amino acid to be fully absorbed by the body. This is where honey comes to the rescue. Honey not only contains tryptophan, but it also promotes the full absorption of this amino acid in our body, which allows it to be activated quickly. Therefore, compared to milk alone, adding honey not only increases feelings of happiness and stability, but also quickly improves sleep quality. Number 2. The second worst combination with honey includes foods and beverages rich in tannins such as black tea, green tea, or unripe persimmons. Have you ever experienced a bitter taste after brewing black or green tea for a long time, or after eating unripe persimmons? That's because of tannins. Tannins belong to the family of polyphenols, wonderful antioxidants that help destroy free radicals in our bodies, prevent cellular aging, and cleanse blood vessels and the body as a whole. Although black tea, green tea, and persimmons, which are rich in tannins, are healthy, they should not be consumed with honey, especially considering the minerals in honey, including iron. When iron meets tannins, an undigestible compound is formed that interferes with its absorption in the body. So while you may consume honey for its health benefits, combining it with these tannin-rich foods can negate their nutritional value and hinder digestion. To maximize the benefits of their nutritional properties, they should be consumed separately. Wait a minute. Have you ever brewed honey tea with boiling water? That's not right. Honey is full of vitamins, amino acids, and beneficial enzymes. But the problem is that these components are sensitive to heat. If you use water that is too hot, it can destroy all these nutrients. To preserve the beneficial properties of honey, brew your honey tea with warm water rather than boiling water, preferably 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This way, you can enjoy all the health benefits of honey. The second product that goes great with honey is cinnamon. By replacing black or green tea with honey cinnamon tea, you can turn it into a wonderful health elixir. Did you know that honey is good for the immune system? Honey contains a significant amount of vitamins and minerals that strengthen the immune system and protect our body from colds and viruses. In addition, honey is rich in a natural antibiotic, propolis. Here's a riddle for you. Have you ever wondered why bees, living by the thousands in cramped hives, don't get sick with viruses like other insects or animals? The fact is that bees cover the entrance to the hive with a thick layer of substance that prevents pathogens from entering. This substance is propolis. In our body, propolis acts as an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and, especially, anti-cancer agent. It inhibits the reproduction and division of cancer cells, restrains their growth, and even makes them self-destruct. In addition, propolis lowers blood cholesterol, strengthens the heart and blood vessels, preventing cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis and hypertension. And here's the best part. When honey is combined with cinnamon, a real miracle happens. The antioxidants in cinnamon enhance the anti-inflammatory effects of honey and reduce inflammation in blood vessels. Moreover, the hot properties of honey and cinnamon together improve blood circulation. This marvelous combination effectively helps with cold hands and feet, numbness in cold weather, and can even relieve joint and muscle pain. Impressively, when honey and cinnamon are consumed together, cinnamon helps lower blood sugar levels, ensuring a healthy intake of sugars. Remember this honey and cinnamon tea as the key to getting these benefits. Number 3. The third and final product that does not mix well with honey is onions. At one time, onion honey pickles became very popular because of their supposed health benefits. Known as a vascular cleanser, onions seem to allow them to extend their shelf life while utilizing the health benefits of honey. However, oddly enough, consuming onions and honey together is strongly discouraged. Onions contain a volatile compound called allyl sulfide, which when consumed can cause gas in the body. When consumed together with honey, this combination can lead to severe abdominal bloating and chronic digestive disorders, as well as negatively affect vision. Therefore, caution is advised. Vitamins and phytochemicals contained in onions inhibit the activity of useful enzymes in honey. Therefore, it is recommended to consume honey and onions separately to avoid these negative interactions and benefit from the unique properties of each product. So, instead of onions, the third and best product to use with honey is radishes. Many people suffer from colds, and dealing with cough and phlegm is quite difficult. Coughing is bad for the lungs and can damage the throat, and a lot of phlegm promotes the multiplication of viruses. Therefore, it is important to find a good way to deal with it. A great solution for fighting cough, phlegm, and strengthening the immune system is honey and radishes. Did you know that radish is especially useful during the fall and winter season? It is even better than some traditional remedies. When it gets colder, radishes become sweeter and contain more nutrients. Consuming this healthy radish with honey strengthens the lungs and throat, making it easier to breathe. It is a great way to deal with coughs and phlegm, as well as strengthen the immune system. Radishes have a tangy flavor due to the substance capsaicin, which helps to strengthen the throat and thin phlegm. Radishes are also rich in vitamin C, which is very important for supporting the immune system. Consuming radishes with honey creates an amazing combination. The dextrin in honey helps stop coughing and relieves inflammation in the throat, while honey softens the pungent flavor of the radish and improves vitamin absorption, so it is not only delicious but also very beneficial. You can mix radishes and honey and let them infuse to make a kind of tea or juice. Adding a spoonful of honey to dried radish tea is also a great idea. A little tip: when you make radish and honey juice, use a whole radish along with the peel, because the peel contains a lot of vitamin C and B. Slice the radish along with the peel, pour honey over it, and let it infuse for a week. This mixture is a powerful remedy to strengthen the immune system and get rid of cough and phlegm for good. So, we have looked at the 3 products that are worst combined with honey, as well as the 3 best combinations. Let's summarize the results once again. First, avoid eating honey with soy-based products such as tofu and soy milk. Instead, combine honey with regular milk. Don't mix honey with foods rich in tannins, such as persimmons and lashings of black or green tea. Instead, enjoy honey with cinnamon to get all its health benefits. Also, instead of combining honey with onions, it is better to consume it with radishes. What are your thoughts on this matter? Do you agree with these statements? If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. More information on this topic can be found at the links in the description below this video and on our channel.
Subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Please like and share this video with your friends. Thanks to our sponsors for their support. I eagerly await your comments and encourage you to watch these useful videos.